International Cooperative Day is an annual celebration of the cooperative movement observed on the first Saturday in July since 1911, 1913, 1917, 1923. Answer 1923. Okay, next question. The Kerala State Cooperative Consumer Federation started functioning on 7th October 1965, 10th April 1975, 1st September 1972, 10th April 1964. Answer 7th October 1965. Okay, next question. The Kaira District Cooperative Milk Producers Union at Anand was formed 1913, 1923, 1936, 1946. Answer 1946. Thank you.